Hello all, in this video we are going to see how to download and install Tableau. For that I have provided a link for students version and the Canvas site. You could go and click on the Tableau link and you would be able to click on get Tableau for free and then fill all the necessary information and your school's email address and verify your student status and all that stuff, which may ask you for ID, student ID or enrollment letter. You could take the picture of your student ID and upload. And then once you finish all the information, you would be able to download that Tableau software. I have already downloaded here using my faculty credentials, and which would be the same thing that you would be able to get as well. And I am double clicking whatever I downloaded, and it will take a couple of moments for you to install the Tableau software. I read all my license terms and conditions. And then click install. It will be very quick. It's a quick installation. It's always good to download the latest edition. And if you install this, you would be able to get for 1 year as a student license. Okay. It's installed now and it's opening Professional Edition. Okay. You don't have to type anything because you already typed in your form. You could directly click on Activate Tableau. So once you fill the information in the form, you would be able to get an email to your email address what you have been provided, and in that you will have your product key so that you could activate the license here. I'm going to activate. So this is my instructor's license. Click on the register and then it would be able to get registration completed. I have removed the small snippet of the video just to hide my details, and then click continue. So now your Tableau has been installed. Thank you for watching.